Ow, stop.
Instamax Mini 9 camera. Had to take it apart. It quit working, quit having some of the buttons show up. So when I took it apart, this is what's on the inside. This little device right here, this is a little bitty switch, and it has to make a contact. Try to get it to where you can see it. But inside there's two little metal bars that have to touch, the little contacts, and it mounted up in here. And what would happen is you'd slide out this blue part, and it had a little piece of metal that would kick over and make that contact. Well, that quit working. So I'm gonna just bypass it for now so we can still use the camera. But hey, Instamax people, if you're out there and you're watching this, why don't you hook me up, hook my daughter up with a new one of these, would you please? Thank you. But that's how I fixed it.